you all see, it's demolition day. Short preview of the mess that we've made. This is going to be my layout. 18 feet this way, 18 feet that way. Lift out's going to be over there by the door. It'll be a 32 inch, 32, 34 inch opening. That bench work is out of here. Done tore one shelf out. My buddy had to leave. So we're going to call it a night. But I just wanted to show you all the progress that is being made in this wonderland of junk. But I'll just pan around here and hopefully you can understand what I'm saying. That is where the lift out will be, where the ladders will be. That will be a 30 inch from out. 30 inches high is the total height of the layout. Some of that wood will be reused, some of it won't. Some of it will hit the bonfire. The 2 chairs stay. Gotta have chairs. Gotta have a fan. The edge of that cabinet you see right there, that is 18 feet. 18 feet from, I'll point it out to you. 18 feet from this wall to the end of that cabinet is the layout. I hope in the next couple days to start bench work, maybe Wednesday or Thursday. Just framing it up. I've got a lot of skimming to do, a lot of painting to do. The walls are going to go sky blue. I'm going to take and put 2 by 2 inch furring strips on this wall. Everybody got to have TV, everybody got to have monitors in their layout. That way they can keep up with the rest of the train world. Monitors, TVs, surveillance, security surveillance cameras. Monitor will be in here. Along with my security system and my pit bull, I really don't have anything to worry about as far as anybody breaking into my house. If they get past my pit bull, they've got a loaded 12 gauge. But I just wanted to keep you all up on what's happening. I know it was probably last week that I gave you all an update as far as my plans. This is reality. Like I said, I'm going to put 2 inch furring strips on this wall. That way I'll have access to this outlet and this outlet for power for my electrical stuff. I've got outlets on that wall for the train, DCC. It's a mess, dude. When your wife tells you you can do it, think. You really don't understand what kind of garbage and trash that a man can collect over the years. I still got a lot to go through, but just wanted to keep you all informed. Appreciate you. Appreciate the comments. Appreciate you guys subscribing. Like I said, without you watching our videos and subscribing, we wouldn't have nothing. You know, we'd have a train. You know, the public keeps us going, and I do appreciate you. Y'all have a safe day, and see y'all in the train world.